Says to the guy, you should at least leave your phone number if you're going to be dinging my car like that. And
Hey, boss.
J-Dog, what brings you in here today?
You called me in here, like, just now.
You're such a joker, man. You're such a joker. Come take a seat, pal. So, there's a word going around the office that you're worried about a stock market crash. Is there any truth to this?
I mean, looking at the facts, we're seeing record high unemployment, GDP's negative, the Dow is down like 700 points today or something. Thinking of selling my positions. It's just that I have a lot of cash tied up in the markets right now, and I'm getting a little bit nervous.
You know what? I think you may be onto something, actually. What I want you to do, Jess, is go back into your office and compile me up a report that you can bring back to me tomorrow morning as to why we should sell our stocks. I'll be looking forward to seeing it tomorrow morning.
Sure. Sounds good. Thanks.
Hey, one more thing, Jeff.
Yeah.
Keep killing it, Rockstar.
Okay. Man, that guy can be such a dick. Anyways, the stock market crash. I can't be crazy to want to sell my stocks. Where do I begin? Let's start with the previous stock market crashes. It looks like the most recent stock market crash was the financial crisis back in 2008. I'm pretty sure I saw a movie about this once. The collapse of the Lehman Brothers, people losing their homes. Interesting. What about this? The tech bubble back in the early 2000s? It says that the NASDAQ lost 80% of its value. Wait a second. I own stocks like Amazon and Microsoft. I should definitely be looking to sell out here. Wait until things settle down and get back into the market when the economy picks up. That's it. I have my answer.
Right on.
Hey boss, here's our report you asked me for. There's a couple notes on page 3 where I couldn't find the exact sources for it, but I feel like you should just be able to...
Kobe!
What the hell, man? That took me 6 hours.
And what did you learn?
Well, if you would have read the report, I learned that interest rates are going negative, and if inflation's up to 4%, then that's...
Jesse, remind me, how long do you plan to invest for?
Well, like we discussed, 20, 30 years?
Exactly. You're thinking about it like this, when you need to be thinking about it like this, okay? Give me a second here, Jesse. Let me show you something. You know what this is?
It's a car.
It's a car. You've ever driven a car before?
Yes.
Sometimes when you drive a car, there's bumps on the road, there's speed bumps and potholes. That doesn't mean that you don't want to drive your car. You still got places to go. You know what this is, Jesse?
Yes.
You ever been on a plane before?
Yes.
Sometimes when you fly on a plane, you may hit a little bit of turbulence. That's just part of a plane ride, and you need to go through it sometimes to get to your destination.
I think I get it, boss. I don't need whatever that's gonna be.
You sure?
Yeah.
Suit yourself. Point being here, Jesse, is that when you invest for the long term, you're gonna hit some bumps and bruises along the way, but over the course of a 20, 30-year investing period, those do become quite meaningless.
Well, you could have just told me that, rather than making me do 6 hours of work.
Well, where's the fun in that, eh? Thank you guys for tuning into the video. I hope you enjoyed our fun little take there on what actually can be a very scary topic, the stock market crashing and losing a bunch of money. Just trying to punch home to you guys that if you're investing for the long term, things do tend to work out just fine. If you enjoyed this one and you want to see more videos like this, give it a thumbs up. And yeah, double thumbs up. Subscribe for more content. If you enjoyed Jesse and the videos, this is my little brother. You guys may have seen him before on the channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Go check out his channel. Handle will be up here somewhere. But I just want to say I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Appreciate you watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Did you do that?
No, we don't do that.
Oh.
Not on this channel, Jess.
All right.
But as always, appreciate you guys watching.
Beavis out.
Beavis out.
I don't watch your videos. I don't know what you say.
We don't say that on this channel. See you guys in the next video.
That's cute.